LKNCY was trending a couple of hours ago. This is Wednesday, the 17th of December, 2025. It is up 9.56%. The volume so far is above average. It's also trading at a premium to its volume weighted average price. Okay, let's see whether we can get the sentiment behind why it is trending and much more.
Luckin Coffee is trending as investors and traders react to sharp price swings that have reignited debate around the stock's near term direction and long term potential. The volatility has been accompanied by renewed acquisition rumors, including speculation that Luckin or its backers could be exploring interest in Blue Bottle coffee, adding another layer of intrigue to the story. The recent pullbacks have split the community. Some traders view the dips as attractive buying opportunities, pointing to Luckin's strong revenue growth, expanding customer base, and continued store openings as evidence that the underlying business remains solid. Others are more cautious, arguing that the price action could signal broader issues, such as margin pressure, heightened competition, or uncertainty around strategic priorities. Discussion has also centered on Luckin's expansion strategy, both domestically and internationally. Bulls believe the company's digital first model, aggressive pricing, and operational efficiency give it a durable advantage in China's fast growing coffee market, while international moves are seen as optional upside. At the same time, speculation around a potential U.S. relisting continues to surface, with investors debating whether improved governance and consistent financial performance could eventually clear the path back to a major U.S. exchange. Sentiment across the community is mixed and emotional. Some investors are energized by Luckin's growth trajectory and see the company as a long term challenger to global players like Starbucks. Others express frustration with management communication, lack of clarity around rumors, and what they perceive as market manipulation or exaggerated moves driven by speculation rather than fundamentals. Overall, Luckin's trending status reflects a stock at a crossroads, a compelling growth story battling volatility, rumor driven headlines, and lingering skepticism. With expansion updates, earnings results, or any confirmation on acquisitions or relisting potential, many traders believe the next major catalyst could quickly shift sentiment one way or the other.
Okay, so the underlying trend is strongly bullish, or rather, it's in a strong bullish trend. Okay, so it's been contracting the expansion that ended, I would say, on the 7th of October. So it's just today it's attempting to bounce again. It's had many attempts. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that it might hold it and then consolidate. It might hold it at least up till the Friday the 19th, and then from that day going all the way towards the boxing, I mean, all the way towards, okay, no, all the way towards Monday the 29th, okay, consolidating. Then from Tuesday the 30th, it might attempt to resume the uptrend, or attempt to renew the bounce, if you like. But the 21 day and the 40-day moving averages are expected to continue to decline, and expected to, constrain constrain foil any attempt to bounce. Yeah, so they are expected to serve as a resistance. As a matter of fact, the 21-day moving average is declining to contract. You can see we have a tiny space here within which, that is formed by the extrapolation of the 10-day moving average, I mean the 21-day moving average, and this 3-day moving average. So it is an indication that it's going to be tight, so the stock is expected to trade within that space, or I mean for the rest of this year. Yeah, for the rest of this year. Okay, this could be wrong as well, and if you also look further as well, the 40-day moving average is equally declining. Without the 21-day moving average, it's offering more room. So we'll see how it pans out. We can even see here that it's saying that by the 2nd of January, it would that moving average, the 40-day moving average, will serve as a primary demand line. It will continue to decline if it closes within one standard deviation of its at least going all the way towards, I would say, the 13th of January. So, but afterwards, the uptrend may resume. So, but this is extrapolating towards so many days ahead. So projections here are saying 32.55, 30.47, 29.18 as of today. Yesterday, no, was it yesterday? On Thursday, it had more ambitious projections, 40.95, 43.09, 44.41. Yeah, we'll see how all of these will pan out. Okay, so see what you make of LKNCY, and thank you very much for watching this video.